This is the unboxing of a large vertical shed from Home Depot. And I believe the name is Suncast? Suncast.
I don't even know.
Yeah. We're needing this at the lake, so he is going to unbox this and we're going to see what it's like. He's going to put it together here at the farm. Here is the picture on the side of the box. This is at Home Depot, from Home Depot. Hope you can see that. They're outside. Okay, he's got it open. It says it's easy assemble, we'll find out. And it says it's padlockable, low maintenance, and
First thing you do, of course, get the instructions.
and then you ask your wife to find them and read them to you, right?
Probably the bottom, maybe.
Okay, and that first one, show them that first one you put out. That is the roof, we think.
We think.
Okay. And this must be a side, and then front. It looks like it might be pretty easy, don't it?
Oh, yeah.
We'll see.
Ask me about this time tomorrow.
So far he's got, we think, the ends. That's an end in his hand. And that other one that I thought was a side or an end, I think is a part of the door. The roof and the floor. What do you think that is? The other sides? What do you think that is?
That is the right side.
And how do you know that?
Says so.
Oh.
The right side.
He's so funny. So there is little parts. So here they are. Alright, now what are you doing now, Sweet Hunter?
Laying the floor down.
Okay.
Side.
Alright, this is the side panel B. And he is going to, what are you going to do?
Figure out what's the front, what's the back.
So it might help if you have the floor on the right side. You're supposed to have it with the Suncast emblem facing up. So now he's put the left side, panel B, in, and you just slide it backwards, right?
Yeah, put in the grooves, slide it back, let it lock.
And let it lock. Okay, he's got three pieces here together. This is the right side. So he's just pushing that in and sliding it back.
You stand up.
Okay, I stood on it and he got it, and now he's going to put the back side on. But I'm going to have to go hold it. Okay, since I was holding it for you, tell him what you did, Sweet Hunter.
Put the right side back panel, hooked it up to the right side, the side part.
But you had to tilt it back. And then just snap it right into place.
Yeah. I'm on the snap.
He's going to snap it. So this is how he... Alright, he went to the back side, he's got that snapped in place, and that just connected at the center. Okay, now he is, what are you doing?
Screwing the two back panels together.
And it came with the screws?
Yes.
How many screws?
8 screws.
8 screws. So far, are you pretty pleased with how easy it is?
I would say it's about as easy as you can get.
Yay. So you just told me something that was off camera. Would you like to repeat that? It's as easy as it can get.
And I said, it's about as easy as you can get. I said, but of course, someone that's advanced as I am is putting together stuff.
And
Which is a joke.
And tell them where the instructions are.
In the trash.
No, they're not.
Oh, Val's reading the instructions.
Okay.
All right, this is the housing for the latch. So it's just supposed to lay right in there and snap right in.
And this is on the
Right-hand door.
right-hand front door.
The latch. So that's the latch. Keeps the door shut.
And this is on the bottom of the door.
Yep, bottom right-hand door.
All right, he's going to show you how it does.
So the end of it catches on the floor and keeps the door from swinging open.
Okay, tell them what you're doing now.
All right, putting the metal hinges onto the door. So you just mount that on the hinge pin and rotate it that way, and they stay on, supposedly.
There's 3 on this door.
Yep, 3 on each door.
And this, you're still on the right door.
Yep, still on the right door.
Okay.
Okay, so it's got your metal hinges on the door.
Okay. All right, you're doing the same thing to the left door, right?
Yeah, right.
Putting the hinges on and putting them into the open position.
Now I'm bolting the hinges to the side frame and the door using, I don't know, it's probably about a 2-inch bolt that I've got to thread through there, through the hinge.
Okay.
So, alright, so I've got the left door. Hinges on,
That's good.
on to the right. Okay, that's the hardest part so far. You've got to get a little 2-inch bolt threaded through the hinge, and it's got to be exact to get it threaded. And of course you're in a tight spot, but anyway, that took a few minutes to do. But the key also is once you get the hinges on, open the doors all the way up and back, and that tightens it up to the frame. It makes them clamp down in there. So they got to sit in a little hole in there.
This is the bottom of the roof. And that's called a door clip bracket.
Alright, we just got through attaching the roof to the top of the building. And now we're going to put the handles on the doors.
First handle on.
And I just put the roof latch onto the side panel to hold the roof. down.
So is that it?
I don't know. Still now I'm putting a screw in the roof latch to make sure it's secured good. Phew, it's hot in there. All right, Home Depot, you did a good job on this. I don't know, we've probably been working on it maybe an hour.
Maybe.
And I'm not the handiest man around, but got it, and it looks like it's going to be good and sturdy, exactly what we need on the lake.
Scale 1 to 10, 1 being your least favorite to about the assembly to 10.
Give at least an 8. The
Great.
only problem I had was getting those bolts to hold the hinges on. It was just a real tight fit, and it's a little tedious, but other than that, it was pretty simple.
Okay, and did you say you could put shelves in there?
Yes, you can cut boards. Probably looks like maybe like 1x8 is cut out where you could lay those down if you wanted shelves.
And will you be doing that?
Depends on when I get down there and see what all I can get in there.
So this is our little vertical shed that we're taking to the lake house, the little house on the lake. Looks pretty good, don't it? He did good. Thanks, Sweet Hunter.
Thank you.